All right, the bus, Papa.
First bus ride. We had the pleasure of visiting Underwood Farms in conjunction with the YMCA ELR program. It's a program that's free for children 0 to 5. Hiram thoroughly enjoyed picking strawberries.
Hi.
I highly recommend Underwood Farms, even if you don't do the strawberry picking. The playground is like super kid friendly. This child was up and down and through and around every part that he could possibly go in, through, under, or around.